Hi guys, my name's James, I'm 29 years of age and I play in a band called Chaos Sequence. First of all, I just want to say thank you to Collision for taking this opportunity to make me an endorsee of your company. I'm incredibly excited for the future for both of us and I cannot thank you enough for this incredible opportunity. You know, some of the things that have drawn me massively into the company is the communication. From, you know, the very first moment I filled in my application up until now, all the phone calls, all the emails, everything's been so incredible and you guys have been so helpful, and I don't think I could have ever really been able to do it without the, you know, efficiency that you guys work to. So, you know, keep up the great work because you guys are smashing it. Secondly, the other thing that drew me into the company was social media. Social media is a massive part of everyday life, you know, and you guys hit the mark in everything that drummers want to see, and I was one of them. So again, keep up the good work because you're drawing in a lot of people and you guys are smashing it again. And lastly, the thing that, you know, sucked me into your company was the products. You know, a friend of mine lent me a pair of drumsticks and I used them for 6 months and didn't break them, and I hit drums hard, and a lot of people tell me I need to lighten up. So whatever you guys have done to those sticks, you're smashing it. Which leads me on to my next thing. The sticks that I use are the Collision 2B drumsticks. I've used a lot of 2B products in my life, and you know, these are the best ones. So whatever's in these, fair play, because you know, I don't think I'm going to break them anytime soon, so keep it up. So the song I'm going to be playing now is a song by my band Chaos Sequence. It's called Arachnid, which follows into the next song after that, EXE, from our Christmas show last year with me using my 2B drumsticks. Thank you.